Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian from One Stop Board Shop. I'm going to introduce a new product that we just came out with. So, we've been sick and tired of getting our sensor pads banged up and messed up on all sides, rolling this thing over, hitting trails, hitting tricks, and it's beating up our pads, and we've just been damaging them for years. And we finally got tired of it. So we came out with the OSBS Sensor Guard. So what you're going to need is just a 1/8 Allen, so that you can remove the 4 bolts that go into your sensor pad. So we're just going to pop the sensor pad off. Now the cool thing about this is it's not just for sensor pad protection. It's also to add a pop of color so that you can either match your board, your sensor pad to your rear pad, or you can just add a pop of color to your front and rear pad if you have the stock pads by getting 2 of them. So once we got those 4 screws out, you just pop your sensor pad up, slide the sensor guard on over, lower the pad, and reinstall. Make sure you get those threads to catch. I put them both in a little bit looser first, and then I tighten them up once they both catch. Okay, they're in. Make sure you give the edges a little bit of a squeeze as you're putting in the screws so that it pinches as well as tight to the sensor as it can. And that's that. So now that we've got this installed, if you're anything like us and you're sick and tired of your sensor pad getting beat up, damaged, or you just want to add some color and match your front pad to your rear or customize your board, then the OSBS Sensor Guard is for you. Stay riding, guys.